What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Nothing phone. Well, the Nothing phone, I hope a lot of you guys heard it. So today we are here to break it down about the phone, my thoughts, and many kind of stuff throughout the phone. What's happening with the phone? Is it the phone good? How is it? How is it capable of doing the task in there? We know it's really good at a price point which I can say it's mid-range price point, not that mid-range, but somewhere going on top, and it's at the middle. So I'm like skeptical, and I'm like, these are the Snapdragon processor which we expected. But anyways, this is a budget phone, which I think to my kind of thinking throughout thoughts of the timeline of the flagship of theirs, because this might be the first flagship, because it's not like a mid-range totally, but it might be like the first flagship. So let's get started on the video of today and let's see what's going on. So guys, first thing first, we can see it has a 6.55 inch of display with a 1080p with 120 Hz OLED display, which is really kind of perfect for the phone, which is really kind of great. That's why I was saying this is not a mid-range phone, because a mid-range phone we have seen it having a lower screen, and then it's just having an LCD screen and a TFT display. But this one, it has an OLED display, which we can see things are starting to change, but it's really kind of great. A Snapdragon 778G plus, which I was tweeting on my Twitter account and saying, well, I expected 8 Gen 1, but well, it's nothing. Well, it's really kind of great to snap it with 8 Gen 1, but I know with the 8 Gen 1 the phone will be high end and it will be price point very big compared to the way we're expecting it. But this is the price point of the Nothing phone, so I think they decided to slap it with Snapdragon 778G plus. Another kind of stuff, it has a 50 megapixel of IMX76 6 main OIS plus EIS plus 50 megapixel of UW Samsung GN1, which is really kind of great. We can see throughout this kind of camera side, it's really good. So if we just gonna add throughout 50 plus 50, you already know it's 100, which is really kind of not bad. To my kind of aspect, I think it's really kind of dope. Throughout front facing camera, it has a 16 megapixel of front facing camera, and it's really kind of great. So throughout here, it has a Sony IMX 471, which is a perfect selfie camera, but I think they could add at least even 32 megapixel of the camera. It would be much better, but I understand we users, we would like to add more specs, and sometimes we feel like it's not enough. I'll talk about it. Another kind of stuff throughout here, it has 4500 milliamp of battery with 33 watts charging with the 15 watts wireless, and it's really kind of dope. And we're having on top of it Nothing OS, which I was thinking if they could switch throughout not having Nothing but having something OS, it would make sense. Let's see, Nothing OS, something OS. Come on, it might be clicking. Nothing phone, something OS on top of Android, which is gonna be really dope. But they decided to go with Nothing OS, which I think it's really still a dope move. So yeah, you get an Android 12 on it, which is really dope. Another kind of stuff, it comes with two colors, which is black and white. Talking about the pricing of the Nothing Phone 1, will be sold with the modest price starting with Euro 399, equivalent to 475 USD, though it's not getting widespread release in the United States. So just know this phone won't be going to United States. Another kind of stuff, when it goes on sale on July 21st, Euro 399 gets you with the model of 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, while stepping up to Euro 449, around 535 USD, gets you 256GB of storage with the model of 12GB of RAM and the 256GB of storage. Goes on sale later this summer for around 590 3. But let's talk about the battery here, because 4500 milliamp of battery, what if they could slap it with 5000? Will it be just enough? Because I speculate that the usage of the phone is going to be really heavy depending on the user type, and the LED at the back, because just know this kind of phone, whenever it gets notification, there's an illumination of the lightning at the back of the phone. They glow, they do this. You can do bunch of stuff throughout this kind of lighting on their upside throughout the phone. But will it be sustaining throughout 4500 milliamp of battery, or they could just slap 5000 milliamp of battery? Because even gaming phones, these newer gaming phones, they are having backlighting and they are even animation, and they have 6000 milliamp of battery. Others, they have 7000 milliampere of battery. Others have 5000 milliampere of battery, which is ridiculous. But throughout this kind of phone, we are seeing 4500, which I think, to my own kind of aspect, it's decent enough, but still not that much decent enough. Because of the heavy duty user, just know that this phone won't last you for 2 days, or it's just gonna be giving you 1.5 days, but 2 days, nah, forget about that. But throughout this kind of phone, it's really dope. The way they kept the outlook and many kind of features throughout it, it's really remarkable. What captured me mostly is the illumination of the lights at the back, and the way they are really good. If you're recording a video, it will just do its own thing there. If you're doing a certain activity throughout the phone, which indicates throughout the lighting, well, it will just do the thing, which is really kind of great. And let me say, you have a phone this way and you slap it with the case, well, you say goodbye with that kind of lighting, because you won't be able to see anything, to be honest. That's like a downside. If covers, not covers, but if the people who are making case, they keep it like a tough case like mine here, as you can see on the Pixel 4a 5G, and it's clear case, that might be making sense. But if it's not clear and you want to protect your phone, know that things will go messy and it will go round and round, and you won't be expecting it to be as much as good. But overall, throughout the Nothing phone, to be honest, it's a really kind of good concept. It's a good copy throughout iPhone, and my first time seeing the phone, to be honest, I was like saying, what the hell is going on here? Why did they just take the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 11 model and they copy paste everything? Like, told Apple, give me your homework, let me just do this, I'll change the title, I'll change this, I'll change your name, I'll change whatever it's gotta be, I'll change it, but I'll maintain the aesthetics of your layout. But that's like it. But anyways, this is the Nothing Phone 1. It's a really good phone, and yeah, I can't wait just to put my hands on this phone for the future videos. I think I might be getting it, I don't know. I cross my fingers for that. When I have it, I just review with you guys, so as you can see it on hand and on action, so as we can explore it more. So thank you guys for watching. This is a quick heads up to give you guys about the Nothing phone, and up to the next one about the Nothing concept, and peace.